Hello everyone, in this video we are going to check the basic theme structure of a Shopify theme. The Shopify themes are made of theme file, then various section files, then various snippet files, various JavaScript files and various CSS files, and all these files are combined to form your Shopify theme. So for this tutorial we are going to check the theme structure of a Dawn theme, and let me clear you that this theme structure can change as per your theme which you are using in your website. So to check the theme files you will need to go to online store, and in that drop down menu please click on themes, and once you click on themes you will get this screen where you have the current theme as well as the customize button. So here you can see that near this customize button you have three dots. Click on those three dots and you will find an option edit code. So click on edit code. After you click on edit code you can see that right now theme.liquid file has opened up. Please understand, theme.liquid is very important file, and all the pages in the entire website will have the structure given in this theme.liquid file. Any change, any single change to this file will be affecting the entire website. So as you can see, theme.liquid file is nothing but the base for your website. So if you scroll down you can see that now the HTML section is here, as well as the head structure. Head structure will have the meta tags, they will have the page title which you can see in the browser, like this we are developers, which you can see in the next tab near to this file tab. The text we are developers is nothing but the title, and this title is fetched from here in the title tag. So you can scroll down and you can see multiple tags which are used in the head section of your HTML. So there are many JS files, there are variables assigned, there are settings assigned, you have the CSS over here, and all these CSS, all these settings, all this variable assignment, they are applied throughout your website, and that is why theme.liquid you can say is the base of your website or base of your theme. You can see that this is settings as well as coding which is used to add the CSS for your website, and here you also have the base.css code, which means the CSS file base.css. Here this file is applied to each and every page in your website. I repeat, each and every page in your website will have base.css file loaded in that page. So whatever CSS you write in this page, it is applied to each and every page and each and every section of your website. That is why theme.liquid is also very important, because without theme.liquid file you will not be able to apply a common CSS file for the entire website. Also you can now check that there are few CSS files which are section specific, like CSS for cart drawer, CSS for totals, CSS for price. So these are the section dependent or section limited CSS files which will be applied on that particular section. If you scroll down a bit more you can see that here we have component predictive search file. So the CSS in this predictive search file will be applied for that predictive search only and not anything other than that. So I think till now you have learned that the CSS files which are applied in your theme are either the base.css file which is applied to the entire website, or you have some section specific CSS files. So if you scroll down a bit more, now here you can see the body tag. The body tag consists of card drawer, header group. Header group means the logo, the menu, the announcement bar, the social media icons, the cart icons, search icons, all the part which you see in the header of the file like this. All this part which is right now I have selected, all this part in the red color, it is nothing but the header group, and this header group is also added in your theme.liquid file, and any change to this particular line will affect the entire website. So for now, let's apply some code over here and let's comment this code so that we can understand how does it affect the website. So now I am commenting the header group code. I have saved it, and now let's refresh the page. And after I refresh the page, you can see that header has been disabled. There is no logo, there are no menu options, there is no search icon, there is no cart icon, and now we do not have an option to navigate through other pages as well, because I commented the header code. The header is now completely disabled. So let's go back and enable it again, save, and when we go back and refresh the page, the header is back. So I think now you must have understood that the theme.liquid file is one of the most important files, and it has all the controls for your entire website. Similarly, now like header, there is also a footer, which means the structure which you are seeing over here, where you can have subscription emails powered by Shopify, privacy policies, or the other notifications. If you want, you can add via customized footer settings, or you can add via coding. So now you can see that the web page is divided into three parts: header, then the content, and the footer. And after that you have all the JavaScripts which are used on all the pages on your entire website. Now, as I said earlier, theme.liquid is the base of your website. It is one of the most important file of your website, and it contains the content as well as HTML structure of your website. And in the next video, we will see how the other sections are used and how are they linked with each other, and which sections we can have on our home page.